miss him. No, not the himness of him, you know. He was my husband, but it was sort of like, you know how people have dogs and they love their dogs and they take pictures of them and buy them little jumpers and they cry when they die and everyone at the office has to chip in for flowers even though it was just a fucking Pomeranian. Steve was like a dog. I loved him. I love him. I do. But he was like a Labrador. And in reality, if I'd gone to the pet shop and I'd gone with a, I don't know, King Charles Spaniel, I would have loved that just as much. We loved each other because that's what people do. They love their dogs and their husbands. It's just the ease that I miss. I don't miss him or need him, but when I get back to this, you know, all I want to do is order a curry. And I don't know what my favorite curry is. He used to do the ordering in. He must have had the number saved on his phone, or you know, there's this one curry. It's lamb with yogurt and it's just the right kind of spicy. I used to be able to handle my vindaloo, but after, when I got pregnant, I went completely off it. But this one was just right. It wasn't too greasy. And the naan too, not too thick. I tried ordering one the other night of one of those apps, but it wasn't the right one. It was all creamy and thick and wrong. And I just wanted to call him and say, hey, I know you hate me. And I know it's my fault she's gone, but which is a good curry house? What's that curry I like? The one with the lamb, what's it called? Thank you. Good night, Stephen. That's all I want.